I want to show you guys this simple system that you can build in N8N that, in my opinion, is one of the most important things that a business can have, and it directly improves the customer experience, which is very important when you're running a business. The system I have here is just a simple customer support RAG agent, and all it does really is just watch a customer support email, and whenever an email comes in, it goes through a text classifier that says, hey, is this actually a customer support email, or is it something other like spam, something that I'm not tasked with handling? And once the text classifier says, yeah, this is customer support related, this customer support RAG agent that I have prompted to act as a customer support agent for a mock e-commerce store that I came up with called Northwind Outfitters, basically telling it, hey, when you receive a customer support email, you're supposed to be friendly, draft a reply email, clear and concise. If no relevant information exists, I guess basically how an actual person monitoring a customer support email would act. Now, what makes this a super valuable system to a business is the RAG component of the system. What RAG is retrieval augmented generation. So you see here, we gave our agent a tool which is called a Supabase vector store. Now, what happens is based on whatever the customer is asking for, like let's say, hey, how do I, or what's your refund policy? Our customer support agent is going to use its Supabase vector store as its knowledge base, which is going to contain the company documents, basically everything about the company, their policy, everything like that. I'll show you what I used. All I had was ChatGPT make me a mock knowledge base for Northwind Outfitters, the mock e-commerce store. It contains everything: orders and shipping, the return policies, billing and payments, product and inventory, everything there is to know about this company when it comes to their policies, pricing, and just SOPs. So it has access to that knowledge base, and whenever a customer email comes in and they're asking a question, it can base its answer almost instantaneously off 100% accurate information. And the reason why this is so valuable is, one, human brains, they can't remember everything, and also humans take a little bit longer to respond. This can respond with 100% accurate answers in a very, very timely manner, which again, like I said, boosts the customer experience. Once it forms its response with the answer based on the company knowledge base, it then goes through an optional step. This is just a human in the loop step, completely optional. All this does is it alerts the team saying, hey, we got a customer support email. Here's the email that I drafted. Approve or disapprove it. Basically allowing us to look it over and see if it has accurate information or if it has any information that's not quite correct based on how our company does things. And then we take the email that the client sent us, basically their problem, and the email that we sent them back, puts it through an LLM node here that is basically tasked with figuring out if we were able to solve their problem or not. So you can see here, we tell it to analyze the email received by the customer and then the email we responded with, and then output in these fields. We have problem, so the problem that they had, the solution, so exactly what we told them and how we told them to fix it, and then if we were able to solve it or not based on the email that we gave them. And the reason why we put it through this LLM to decide if we were able to help them or not in their problem is so we can log it. The reason we want to log the customer's issues is they're literally telling us how to make our business better. So if over and over again they kept saying, hey, my package says it's here and it's not here. And let's say we have 5 different customer support problems of that. I mean, that's the answer right there. That is, when people are trying to constantly improve their business, the customers are literally giving us the answer to a better business. So that's why we always want to log everything. So you can see here, my support email received an email that says my tracking says delivered, but it didn't arrive. Here's the email that our customer support agent was able to send. Now, this is cool, but it's not the important part. The important part is making sure that this part right here is 100% correct and based on the knowledge base. Let's check it out. So you can see in our top support questions here, where's my order? Check your tracking link for the shipping confirmation email. If it shows delivered but not found, wait 24 hours and then contact us. So that part's correct. It gets even better. Support protocols, internal, lost packages. If tracking shows delivered but customer cannot locate after 24 hours, initiate replacement or refund. Not only did it respond in a friendly manner like we wanted to and in a timely manner, it also responded with 100% correct information as if a human were operating this customer support email. If you want access to that template and you want to see the video on how I was able to build that step by step, head over to my free school community called the AI Growth Lab. The link is in my bio. Jump into the classroom, head over to the Builders Vault, and then it's the one called How to Build a Customer Support Agent. I got the full YouTube tutorial here, and then the link to the JSON file that you can import into your own N8N.